Hello everyone, myself Anand Kumar HN, Assistant Professor, Department of CSE, MIT Mysore. So today I am here with one more topic from application development using Python 18 CS 55. So in the last session we discussed about various things in Python with respect to dictionary concept, string justification and string stripping, and we have solved one of the problem like password locker and one more problem. So in today's session I am going to solve two more problems using a Python concepts. The problem statement is like this. So you need to take any sentence from the user. You need to take any sentence from the user. Once the user has entered the sentence, you need to find which is the maximum length word in that particular sentence and what is the minimum length string in that sentence. So both the results, what is the maximum length string, what is the minimum length string should be displayed on the screen. So you need to take a string, a sentence, complete sentence. Let us say, hello, how are you? Myself Anand Kumar. Mysore is a beautiful city. So this is my sentence. When you accept this, you need to check which is the maximum word length string and which is the minimum length word string. Okay. Okay, let us discuss. Let us take a sentence from the user. Let us write send. I will take sentence as an input from the user. I will say input, enter a sentence. Enter a sentence. User will enter the sentence. Next. So once the user has entered the sentence, so we need to like how do you measure the length of any string? Like let us say user has entered Mysore is beautiful. Mysore is beautiful. Let us write Mysore is beautiful. So these are the three words. You need to split those three words, right? You need to split those three words. So for that, let us put split function send dot split. Send dot split. By default, it will split by spaces. Okay, spaces. Okay, words. What do you get? Words is a list of words. It is a list of words. You will get a words. It's a list which contains Mysore is then beautiful. So these are the three words you got from a split function. Okay. Next, what you should do? You should compare each word. So for that, what I will do? I will write a for loop. Let us say for I in what? Words. Sorry, for W in words. So this will initially point to Mysore, then is, then beautiful. So this is what? For W in words. Next, what I should do? I need to check whether W is a max, whether it has got maximum length, whether it has got a maximum length. For that, what I will do? I will take two variables. Let us say max length. Okay, let us say max length is equal to 0 and max word is initially I will take max none as a max word as a none. I have considered two variables to store what is the length of maximum string and which is the maximum string, that I wanted to know. So for that I have taken max word is equal to none, max len is equal to 0. Okay. Next I am checking for W in words. For W in words I am checking for W in words. Now I need to check what if length of what? Length of W is greater than what? Maximum length. Initially, what is the maximum length? Maximum length is 0. 0 is the maximum length. Means we don't have any words initially. So that is 0. Length of W. W will be pointing to Mysore. What is the length of Mysore? It is 6 character. Whether 6 is greater than 0? Yes, obviously. Then what you should do? So you should reassign the maximum length. Then max len is equal to length of W, and you need to store the word also. Word is max W is equal to W. So if there is a case that the length of the word is greater than maximum length, initially maximum length is 0. If it is greater, then you need to assign length as well as the word. Okay. Then once the loop completes, it will go back. Now it is pointing to is word. So again it will check whether length of is is 2. Whether it is greater than, what is the maximum length now? Maximum length is 6 now. Whether 2 is greater than 6? No, it is not greater than 6. So it will not process if condition, it will go back. Again, beautiful in words, that is a W, beautiful. What is the length of beautiful? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. Whether 9 is greater than 6? Whether 9 is greater than 6? Yes, 9 is greater than 6. Then what happens? Maximum length becomes 9. Maximum word is beautiful. Maximum word is beautiful. So these are the two values get assigned. Then again come back to for loop. Then there are no words, for loop ends. Finally, you need to print the result. So print our longest word. Longest word is, which is the longest word? Max word. And length is, what is the length? Max len. So this is the program. So finally I am printing which is the longest word, what is the length of that maximum length word. So if you give any input, it will consider. But here the drawback is, if the two words consisting of same length, let us say Mysore as well as I will say Ananda. Okay, 6 words, 6 characters. Then what happens? So when it process 6, whether 6 is greater than 6? No. So it will just go back. The first word only considered. If you want such case, again you need to rewrite the program. You need to do some modification. If the length is equal, then you need to store even that particular word with one more variable. So that is how it happens. Okay. So you need to modify that. But this is enough. This is how you find what is the maximum length word in the sentence and what is the length. Okay, next program. The same program with improved version. So in this program, in the previous program, we discussed about how to get a maximum word length from a sentence. But what if I wanted to know the top 5 words or top 10 words? Okay, means I wanted to say what I can say, that's what. If you want to store top 10 words, you cannot consider 10 10 variables, max 1, max 2, max 3, max 4, max 5 till max 10. This is not an efficient way of doing. So if I wanted to know which are the maximum length, which like or else top 10 words with maximum lengths. Did you get? You have got a big para or big file where you wanted to know which are the words with maximum length. I want those top 10 words. How do you do that? So this can be solved using a dictionary concept. Dictionary. Why dictionary? Using dictionary, what you can do, you can store what is the word, what is the length, what is the word, what is the length. All the words and length can be stored. Okay. Then what you can do? You have a dictionary with all the words, all the lengths. Then you convert the dictionary into a list. What is list consisting of? List consisting of all the lengths, all the words. Then you sort the list from reverse order, from highest to lowest. Then what you will get? Highest to lowest word. Then you pick only top 10 words. For example, let us say I have got a paragraph. Okay, assume that you got some dictionary. Let us say is 2 characters, and is 3 characters, then Mysore you got 6 characters, then beautiful 9 characters, then let us say dosa 4 characters. From this I wanted to know what are the top 3 words. Top 3 words. So top 3 words are obviously 9 is the first word, 6 Mysore is the second word, dosa is the next word. Top 3 words out of 5 words. But how do you do? You cannot sort dictionary. Dictionary cannot be sorted. So dictionary has its own way of storing the values. How do you do? For that, what you can do? You can convert this into a list. That is 2. Okay, you can convert initially this into a list. I will rewrite like this: 2, is length word, comma, then 3, hind, then 6, Mysore, comma, 9, beautiful, then finally 4, dosa. So this is how you convert into a list of length and words. Why I have interchanged? Here you have is, then 2. Here I am trying to interchange because I can sort the list based on list value. If you place the words first, so they are sorted alphabetically, but I don't want alphabetical order sorting. I want a length sorting. So if you apply sorting function to this particular list, you will get what? 9 first, 6 next, 4, 3, 2. 9, 6, 4, 3, those are the sorted list. Then you select top 3 words, means you select only beautiful, Mysore, dosa. That is how you select from 0 to what? 0, 1, 2, 0 to 3. If you select 0 to 3, those are the top 3 words. If you want to select top 5 words, 0 to 5. Okay, this is how you implement selecting top 5 words or top 10 words based on the length using a dictionary concept. Let us try to implement this code. Okay, let us consider a input. Assume that your input consisting of 2-3 lines. Okay, user will enter a sentence. So user will enter a sentence, or it can be consisting of any number of lines. Okay, let us consider a sentence. So let us take input from the user. So input, enter the input. Once the user has entered the input, you need to convert what? You need to convert that input into a list of words. Further, let us consider words is equal to sentence dot split. So once you split, you will get all the words, right? Then what you should do, you need to store these values into the dictionary. Further, let us consider a dictionary, empty dictionary. Now you need to access each word at a time. For that, I am writing for loop for W in words. For W in words. Now, how to create a dictionary histogram? In the previous session, we discussed about it. So we need to write if W not in D. If it is not in the dictionary, add D of W is equal to 1. Else D of W, if it is already present in the dictionary, so D of W is equal to, okay, we need to consider length of string, right? Okay, D of W is equal to length of W. So if the word is not there in the dictionary, D of W is equal to D of length of W. If it is already present, so D of W is equal to nothing. Don't do anything. If does not exist, then only we need to convert this into we need to store it into a dictionary. If W not in dictionary, if the word is not present in the dictionary, right, what we should do, we should perform D of W. That is, let us say you have IND word. IND is equal to length of IND is 3. 3 will be stored. Again, if you get IND again, it will not be considering it. We don't worry about that. If it is not there in the dictionary, then only we'll store the length. Okay, if as I said, Mysore is beautiful, Mysore, the sixth length will be stored. Again, if I get Mysore is good, Mysore is already present, so I don't worry about it. So this is how you store, how you create a dictionary with word and length. Okay, finally, if you want to print, you can print the dictionary, print of D. You are printing the dictionary. Next, what you should do, as I told, you need to create a list of length comma value. For that, you will write a for loop for k comma v in d dot items. So this is the for loop. We have already discussed in the previous session for key and value in dictionary. What are the key and value? As I told you, if there is a int comma 3, Mysore 6, like this. These are the key value in dictionary. So for that, you need to consider one more list also. Let us consider x is equal to a list. I am considering a new list to store these values. Okay, for that, what I will do, items x dot append. I am trying to append. What I need to append first? I need to append value comma key. And you can consider this is when you write append, you cannot, if you write without bracket, it's a error, because append will take only one argument. For that, I am writing this whole as a one bracket, because now I have value and key pair. Initially we had key and value, now it becomes 3 comma int. This is the one value, 6 comma Mysore. This is another value, that is a list. It's a list now. So I will get the list. So then I need to sort the list. So for that, I will write x dot sort. So reverse is equal to true. Reverse is equal to true. Now I get a reverse order, and means highest value first, highest length first, lowest value next. So this is how you get sorted list where you are printing in the reverse order. Next, after printing, what you should do? Let us print. If you want top 5 words or top 10 words, you can get it. So let us say print the top 10 words. So for that you will print of x of 0 to 10. Okay, x of 0 to 10, then you will get what? You will get 6 comma Mysore, 3 comma I, like that you will get. If you want to get only words, I'm not interested in length, then you need to make some changes to your code. You need to access only values. Okay. Okay, this is the example for getting a list of words with highest length. Thank you.